Hello and welcome to Firewalls.com's first WatchGuard tutorial video. Today we'll start with a simple one, and it's just going to be how to register your WatchGuard products. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that you make note of the serial number of your WatchGuard firebox or the license key for the product or license you're trying to activate. Things other than the firebox could be, say, access points or auth point, multi-factor authentication, or other products like endpoint security. So once you have that and you're ready to register your WatchGuard product, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to myproducts.watchguard.com/activate. Now, if you're already logged in, it's going to take you there. But if not, you go ahead and log in with your username. If you've never had a WatchGuard account before, you can go ahead and create one at this point. I already have one, so I'll go ahead and log in. And you get brought to this screen. So again, we'll need to put in our license key, or if we're activating a firebox or access point, we can just put in the serial number as it ties in with the order. Now for me, when I put this in, it's going to say I've already activated a key here. So I'll go ahead and show you an example of what it looks like on the next screen. Okay, here's an example of what you'll see on step 2 after you've entered your serial number or license key and then press next. You'll see here the product details. This kind of confirms what you're trying to activate to your WatchGuard account. This screen is kind of important because this is the point where you add the friendly name, and it just means when you view your products and licenses on your WatchGuard account, if you have multiple products or licenses / services of the same type, you can identify those, say like based on location. If you have multiple locations or different floors or what have you. So this is the friendly name you put in. This is how it will show up, the product you're registering. This is how it will show up on your account. And then finally, once you've got the friendly name that you'd like, you can just go ahead and click Activate to finish the process. If you're activating a firebox, that will automatically download the feature key onto the firebox when you go through the web setup wizard later on. Okay, back to my example. In my example, my key was already consumed, but if you're adding yours for the first time and you've clicked Activate, you can check it out. You can check out the status in your products, manage products. You'll choose the related one. So for us, we're looking at fireboxes, so that's going to be under network security. And here I can see my my added firebox. Again, in my example, it's already added, but if you're adding one, you'll find it here. And this will relay back to what the expiration date is for your license as it relates to your firebox. Or in other products, you'll find that as well. And now that that's registered, now you can proceed with the initial setup of your firebox. That can be done in multiple ways, either through the web GUI or through WatchGuard System Manager. We'll cover that in the next video, where we'll go over how to configure and set up a new firebox using the web. Thank you.
So that's it for this video. Make sure you leave us more comments and questions. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out Firewalls.com.